Evil is eternal.
The devil himself has been collecting evil souls since the dawn of time, and they are on display here in his attic. This year he's got a few new items in his collection, and some of them you may not expect. We're gonna take you inside the devil's attic here with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Last but not least, watch your step when you enter my door is a step up. And stay together in this group and do not separate at any point.
God, every time.
I know, I'm like, wait for it, wait for it. Uh-oh. Knock, knock. Good night. Every time.
Since the dawn of time, a proud shadows collected evil souls. Souls that have brought you terror. And I kept them. Locked away here. And those who cease to believe in God or good altogether will always believe in me, honey. 'Cause evil. The time has come! Welcome to the devil's attic!
Thank you.
I think.
You know, I finally beat that assault charge.
Oh, you
I
finally
really beat the hell out of it.
get it? Hell. Oh no.
Oh man.
Ooh, it's getting foggy. Oh, I heard something. Oh. Right there.
Where did he go?
I don't know. Where did he go? He's behind you.
The heck was that?
There's a bushman
There's
maybe?
a wild bushman. He's still behind me. He's still behind
Watch
me.
out, they bite, they
God.
bite. Okay, that
My dear, please come right
really
this
fast.
way.
Oh
right
God,
this way.
she just bit me.
Don't mind Vanessa, my sweet. She has not had fresh meat in well over 50 years.
Don't mind Vanessa.
But tell me, has my queen invited you into a castle?
Kind of. Does biting count?
At least you brought a gift.
Yeah. A yeah, a gift. Yeah.
If you don't mind, tell me, how would you like to be sucked dry?
Oh my.
Not at all.
Oh, well, I think the queen would be not so impressed with that, but we'll see.
I don't know if I would.
My queen!
Oh,
Not sucking us! How's it like?
No. Stay over there.
Let us live! Give me every last drop of your fresh blood! Drain the life from their neck, sister!
We waited a century for veins this sweet.
Please, just a drink! Just a drink! Can't you see we're starving?
No, God. No,
Just
say,
a drink!
I'm looking for a
Tell me!
Okay, I'm gonna save myself. Oh no, stop it! No fighting! Oh my God!
Get up against the wall! Get up against the wall! I don't create monsters! I create perfection! I gave him life! Now he shall claim yours! Awaken my creature! Come forth! He's alive!
He's definitely alive!
He's alive!
Oh God!
Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah.
Isn't he the perfect
I guess that's what you call it.
Have your head!
No!
The pain stops after the first.
That's good.
Definitely.
Don't leave us there.
I can't help you. Okay.
Place thyself upon thy base!
Yeah, rise!
Oh, there he is.
That thing was gonna rise.
Oh my.
Come on, tap. Ew, there's snakes on the floor.
Look upon those who can't. They now decorate my guardian. Their flesh made of stone as yours.
Oh, don't look at her.
Please, for you too are stone.
Oh, Tyler, that was a
No
warning.
stones for us.
That was a warning. Oh, they're dying.
Bring
The
out
rats
the
are
dead.
eating them. That's gross. Back. I saw the lantern.
Plague doctor. We don't have it. We don't have the plague.
Oh.
Scared Factor, come on in,
No.
come on in. Poor pitiful souls destined for my time.
Oh my goodness. That one was
I hope you
alive.
must go
Wrong way, go back. Well, was that supposed to be for us? Or?
Nope.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Okay. Are you the one she was looking for? Maybe? Oh, don't talk to the dead. Don't talk to the dead. Oh, is that blood? Bloody Mary!
Bloody Mary!
Bloody Mary!
Bloody Mary! Oh, God.
Mary's useless.
Oh, Lord.
Soul is the doorway.
Oh,
And I'm already inside.
I see that.
Already inside.
I see that.
I was never just a story.
Oh.
I was never just a story.
Ian, you human scum! I command you! You throw it up, I'll make you eat it again! Who wants a free sample
God,
of the
no.
finest choice of humankind has ever chosen? What about you, my dear? You'll make a perfect part for my front. And as for you, I'm gonna put you right in the middle, right where you human scum belong.
That's not very nice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I do not blame her for not wanting to eat that. Uh-oh. Who's
Punishment is necessary!
No, it's not. No, God.
Naughty!
Oh, my God. Naughty. Okay.
The devil writes gospel on your skin. These hands bless the faithful. Now they'll drown in your sin.
Oh, God.
No.
Go drink the little kiss.
Oh, no.
Heaven or hell. I didn't care which. Neither should you.
Uh-oh. I guess we're going hell. Okay. Oh, God.
We'll tear your soul apart.
That's, no.
The box. You opened it.
I did not.
I did not.
We came.
I did not
I
open
didn't know
nothing.
such thing. Oh, whose house is this? Oh.
Hear that? Hey, Grandpa.
I hear it.
Crazy! All of them! The whole family!
Oh, gosh.
You are not wrong. Oh, no. What is that?
You're all crazy.
Is that a
Mom, it's a slaughter!
Oh, that's a face.
Oh, God.
My brother's face!
No, I don't need it.
Where is
I don't need it.
Franklin? Where is it?
Franklin!
Come on down here, my little chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Just the two of you. Come on down here.
Oh.
That witch back there had a rat nugget.
Now, y'all meet my pappy down there. He's about to meet my older brother and my new friend Franklin. Let me give you a quick history on my family, the Salyers.
The
We
Salyers.
are known in Texas for making the world's finest chili because we only use very special ingredients.
That prime meat.
No.
Yeah, she's all ready to go. Now, y'all were gonna go say hi to my friend Franklin. You, my little smurfette, you're gonna go to him. He's gonna be right behind you. You're gonna go up to him and be real loud. And you're gonna say, Franklin, what's your sister's name? And if you don't do it right, well, let's just say there's gonna be some tenderization.
Oh, God. Okay. We got to do this right.
Bye-bye, we got company. Franklin, Smurfette here has a question for you.
Franklin, what's your sister's name? He got really close. Solly.
Oh, God. Sally was her name. Sally was her name.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, Franklin.
Thanks for getting us killed, Franklin.
Right, so that was the Devil's Attic, folks. Let us know what you thought. They made all kinds of awesome changes in there. Let us know what you think.
Congratulations, you guys are alive.
We are alive.
Barely.
Come check out your picture.
Barely.
So they got pictures and an awesome little merch stand here at the end. Make sure you check that out too. If you come check them out, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. If you want to find some more haunts down here in Kentucky near you, visit our website, thescarefactor.com. While you're there, sign up for our Haunt Advisor newsletter. That's where we'll send you all of our updates and links to our new videos, all our reviews. And if you're out late driving to haunted houses like we are, try some FrankenFuel. That's a horror-themed energy drink, and we've got a link down in the description. You can save 15% off your online order. And if you enjoyed this haunt, you're gonna really enjoy this one. I've got a link for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.